Hello everyone. Today I am solving set D of first internal test of subject computer oriented numerical methods. Now let's start. And the first question is find the cube root of 5 using Newton-Raphson method. Correct up to 4 place of decimal. Here is the solution of first question. Now we have to find the cube root of 5. Then our equation will be x cube is equals to 5 or 3 or x cube minus 5 is equals to 0. Now the function f of x is x cube minus 5 and their differentiation f dash x is 3x square. Now applying Newton-Raphson formula and take initial guess is 1. So here are the formula is x1 is equals to x0 minus f of x divided by f dash x. We put the place of x is x0 and the value of x0 is 1 minus x cube minus 5 divided by 3x square, and the place of x we will put 1. After simplify this we will get a 2.333, which is our first iteration. Now we have to find the second iteration. Similarly, we put in x2 is equals to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash x1. Now here we put the value of x1 in this formula and get a 1, and after calculating get 1.861, the value as a value of x2. This is our second iteration. Now the third iteration is x cube is equals to x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash x2. Here we put the value of x2 in this formula and after calculating get a 1.7221, which is our third iteration. And the fourth iteration will become x cube minus f of x3 divided by f of f dash x3. Here we put the value of x3 in this formula and get 1.7101 after calculating the formula. So there is no significant difference between x3 and x4, hence the cube root of 5 is 1.7101. Now the second question is write an algorithm for finding square root of 5 using fixed point iteration method. Now we are solving. For square root of 5, we take the x square is equals to 5, and which is x square minus 5 equals to 0. Now the function f of x is x square minus 5 and the f dash x is 2x. Now the g of x is x minus x square minus 5 divided by 2x, which is comes from Newton-Raphson formula, and after simplifying we will get the value of g of x is 1 by 2 x plus 5 by 6 in brackets. Now we can take the initial guess x naught is 2, then solve until the changes between the iteration is less than predefined tolerance. Here predefined tolerance is then absolute error. Now here are the algorithm of our question. We have to find the square root of 5. First we start and define the function f of x, then define function g of x, which is obtained from f of x is equals to 0 such that x equals to g of x and modulo of g dash x is less than 1. Now choose the initial guess x0, tolerable error is e, and maximum iteration n. Now initialize iteration counter, step is equals to 1. This is our for loop. Here we have to start the for loop, and our for loop starts from 1 and calculate x1 is equals to g of x0. Here the increment iteration counter step is equals to step plus 1, and in at step we have check the answer. If step is greater than n, then print not convergent and go to our step number 12, which is stop. If the answer is not convergent, then we stop our loop, otherwise we will go to step number 10. In step number 9 we have set x0 is equals to 1 for next iteration. Here we have to set the x0 for next iteration, and in step number 10 we check if module if in module f of x is greater than e, then go to step number 6 and calculate our x1, otherwise go to step number 11, which is display x1 as a root and stop the algorithm. Now we are solving the question number 3, which is give the output of Gauss-Seidel algorithm for this augmented matrix. Equation that will be formed are in Gauss-Seidel method we have to solve the system of linear equation, and our linear equation will be formed like 10x minus 7y plus 3z plus 5k is equals to 6, minus 6k plus 8y minus 7 minus 4k is equals to 5, 3x plus 4y plus 4z plus 11k is equals to 2, and 5x minus 9y minus 2z plus 4k is equals to 7. In Gauss-Seidel method, we take only one variable at left side and rest other all the elements, all the variables and coefficients are put at right side. Now the equation will be x is equals to 6 minus 7y minus 3z minus 5k in brackets divided by 10, y equals to 5 plus 6x plus z plus 4k in brackets divided by 8, z is equals to in bracket 2 minus 3x minus y minus 11k divided by 4, and k is equals to 7 minus 5x plus 9y plus 2z divided by 4. Here we have the first iteration is we put x, y, z and k is equals to 0. For iteration 1, the value of x1 is 0.6000 and y is equals to 1.0750 and z is equals to minus 1 0.0250 and k1 is equals to 2.9062. These are the equations for iteration 1. Now for the iteration number 2, here x2 is equals to minus 1.298, y2 is equals to 0.4764, z2 is equals to minus 7.950 and k2 is equals to 1.8221. And for the iteration 3, we are simplifying the x, y, z and k's value. So we have x3 is equals to 1.2540, y3 is equals to 1.5396, z3 is equals to minus 6.908 and k3 is equals to 0.1513. Similarly for iteration 4, we have x4 is equals to 1.5438, y is equals to 0.9847, z is equals to minus 2.0587 and k4 is equals to 1.0064. These are the values for first iteration, second iteration, third iteration and fourth iteration. Thank you.